Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 10th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, we are continuing with our topic linear equation in two variables, and it is a very important topic in your class. Why? Because it has got a lot of application when you write competitive exams in the sense that when you wish to get some UPSC exam, government exams for getting into a job, this kind of mathematics comes into use. That is the most important thing I want to tell you, and it has also got a lot of importance in further studies in maths. So the topic, once again, linear equation in two variables. This is part 2 of the video. First part you should see, learn, understand before continuing with this video. You will be getting a link to the part 1 of this video below in the description. You already know that what is meant by a linear equation in two variables. You have to study further, and you also know that how to find out solution for a linear equation in two variables by elimination method and substitution methods. This you have already studied, and that is also mentioned in the last video. Now you will be going further to find out solution for linear equation in two variables by graphical method. Graphical method, as the name indicates, you will be using graph to find out solution for a mathematical equation, especially a linear equation in two variables. But first you should know how to put or how to present a linear equation in one variable on a graph. Once if you know that, you can easily present a linear equation in two variable on a graph paper. And my dear students, for your wonder, you will get the answer visible in front of you in the graph paper. मतलब मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन के बिना ग्राफ बना के लीनियर इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन मिलता है. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट. समझ में आया? जब भी मैथमेटिक्स बोलेगा तो हमको कैलकुलेशन करना है, प्लस माइनस डिविजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कैलकुलेशंस वी हैव टू डू. बट हियर by simple calculation to make a graph, the graph gives you the answer. Okay, with that interest you should go further. With the interest start, it has got a lot of application in future learning of mathematics and competitive exam. You should approach this lesson. All the exercises you have to apply your common sense in mathematics and solve. Understood? So let me go ahead. This is a linear equation. Understood? This is a very simple linear equation which tells 2x minus y is equal to 4. So my first attempt will be to place this linear equation on a graph paper. To draw this on a graph paper, you need to write it in ordered pairs. What is meant by ordered pair? This I should explain to you first. Please remember, at least 4 ordered pairs are required. Pair, you know, will be sets. Here the set is x and y axis sets of a graph. Suppose that if x is equal to 0, what will be the y? When y is equal to 0, what will be x? Like that we will make sets, and those sets are called ordered pairs. For example, you can make a box like this. You are familiar with this. X you will assume आपके हिसाब से, but normally हम क्या करते हैं, 0 1 2 3 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 अपने को freedom दिए तो sometime it will be instructed that let y be this, and we will accordingly we will make the graph. But this grid is very clear to you. You will insert x is equal to 0 and will calculate how much will be y or x is equal to 2, and we'll calculate. For example, in this case, if I consider x is equal to 2, so what is the equation given? The linear equation given is 2x minus y is equal to 4. So I will substitute this x into it. Minus y is equal to 4. Now it is in such a way that minus y is equal to 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. तो माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू, वो साइन का कुछ मतलब मत नहीं है. यू कैन राइट वाई इज इक्वल टू, दिस इज नो माइनस 0 एंड प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 0. सो you got y is equal to, that is sorry, that is what you got here. Okay, so in that way you will complete the graph, or complete the ordered pairs which is required for drawing the graph. Understood? This is the first thing you will be doing. Then you will take the graph paper. Abhi I don't know whether you have a graph paper with you. You may get it in the market, or you may go to the market, or for the time being you will make a simple x and y axis in the graph paper, and will make this. You know that this is the x axis, this is the x axis, and this is the y axis. It is known to you, and you will be having a convenient size over here. In graph paper, each small square, box square is 1 centimeter. That also you know. Accordingly you will create a graph. Centimeter is not important here, but here graphical representation I am taking. You can say that x axis is 1 centimeter is equal to this. Here it is very simple. Sometimes you write 10, 20, then you will write 1 centimeter is equal to 10 so and so thing. Anyway, here it is graph paper in front of you. Now I have to mark these points on graph paper. So I am going to mark it. To mark it, I need to put mark. First I will consider x axis 0, y is equal to minus. So you should go to the x axis, and 0 line is the line of x axis itself. Understood? It is the line of x axis itself. So it will be, you will be going from 0 to minus 4 of y axis. So minus 4 of y axis you should find out, and 0 of x axis. So x axis के हिसाब से 0 में रहना है, y axis x से -4 दूर है. So it will be here somewhere the marking would be. Okay, then second one is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. This is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. y का 0 किधर रहेगा? x का 2 इधर है, y का 0 मतलब यही लाइन है, y का 0, y 0 मतलब x से 0 डिस्टेंस में, x is equal to 2 मीन x एक्सिस में आप 2, y एक्सिस से 2 पॉइंट दूर है. So you will be putting the point here. Understood? Then you will be going to x axis 3 and y axis 2. So you will go up, y का up में है. So you will be putting the point here. Then x axis -1 and y axis -6. तो लेफ्ट साइड में आपको जाना है -1, y axis में -6, वो नीचे आ जाएगा. तो it will be here. So you got 4 points with respect to the ordered pairs given. Now the next task is to connect this. With the help of a ruler you will connect it. So let me take a ruler for me from here. You will I think I may get a ruler from here. नहीं मिले तो डायरेक्ट ड्राइंग करना पड़ेगा. I am getting a direct line from here. I will take that for the convenience. So here, after keeping the ruler through these points, you will draw a line connecting these points. Let me see how it goes like. Chalo. All the 4 points which I have drawn, I have connected with the help of a ruler. So what happened here? Now I am having a line. If the line is not accurate, it is not my mistake, in fact drawing mistake. So you are getting a line after converting. That's the most important thing I want to tell you. After converting this equation that 2x minus y is equal to 4, when converted into a graph, I am getting a line. So ultimately, I remember something very important here. We started with a linear equation. The spelling of linear equation is linear. That means there is a spelling line here and we got a line in the graph. That is why linear equation is linear equation. You get a line when you convert linear equation into a graph. Understood, my dear students? That is the beauty of it. Okay, so you should convert whatever equation is there in your 9th standard textbook. You are in 10th, I know. Linear equation in one variable, you can convert 2, 3 into a graph paper, and we'll see that all those equations are linear equation. Why? Because you will be getting a line graph. Okay, so I just introduced this. Now let us move ahead. Before going ahead, let me once again show you what actually the steps were. Linear equation, and we have to make a graph, and we have to make ordered pair, and we have to assume the data for x and y, and we made 4 ordered pairs. Then we took the graph, then this is what I want to tell you. Then we have followed all these steps in order to make a correct perfect graph of linear equation in one variable. These are the steps, and 4 points are marked, and we got a line graph. Let us go ahead. Going ahead is having a sense that we will be placing now the linear equation in 2 variable onto the graph. To keep linear equation in 2 variable onto the graph, we require 2 equations which are called simultaneous equation, which will be helping us. So let us start from the same simultaneous equation which we had done before. These were the equation which were done before, means the previous video using elimination method and substitution method, we solved linear equation in 2 variable. The same equation we used, and we got the answer x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Those who have seen or studied the previous video know that. Now we are using the same equation in graphical method. ऐसा क्यों? ताकि हमको कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाए कि ग्राफिकल मेथड में भी वही आंसर मिला. मेथड ऑफ स्टडी की बात है. सो दिस इज अ ग्राफ जस्ट लाइक बिफोर वी गॉट. नाउ व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग, वी विल बी ड्राइंग ए graph with the help of same equation which we have used for elimination method and the substitution method. Okay, so in order to do that, let me go to a fresh page. In that fresh page, I will be taking a different graph now. Different means a graph, fresh graph with a different approach. Let me try, and I may get a graph paper here. The graph paper is available here in this, and in the graph paper I got a graph paper, because this graph paper can be made big, the scale can be changed, a lot of facilities are there. Let me try. So this is the graph paper, quite big. I have a scale on that from 1 to 13, 1 to 10, enough, more than enough, -1 to -11. All this we should check that whether the graph paper properly scaled. The scale can be changed, and in your case you will be putting it accordingly. Here it is 1, 2, 3, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 particular unit over here. Now what is required? We require the this one, our ordered pair, which we already got. So we will go to that ordered pair which we had with us last time. That ordered pairs I can obtain from here. This is the ordered pair. I will take this ordered pair from here only for convenience of doing. Let me take the ordered pair from here only. They will just cut it. This is what we are going to draw as graph here. Okay, iska graph. This is simultaneous equation which we have already done, as I told you. X plus y is equal to 4, 2x minus y is equal to 2. Now next one case I will go a little fast because you should also do fast. X and y points I should mark here. For marking the points I need the pen. I will mark it with pen here, and here is a pen, okay, and here it is a marker, okay. First one is minus 1 and 5. Minus 1 on our x-axis and 5 on y-axis. I will mark here. 4 on x-axis, 4 on x-axis, then 0. So 0 on y-axis. So इधर ही रहेगा, no problem. Then 1 on x-axis, 3 on y-axis. 1 on x-axis. X-axis is this, and 3 is here, yes, here. And then 6 on x-axis. Here it is 6 steps from y, and minus 2 for y-axis. So नीचे जाएगा, here it is. So we got 4 points, one here, one here, one here. It is a linear equation in 2 variable. We know that we will be surely getting a, what we say, a line graph. Then only it is linear equation, and we are having 2 linear equations to draw. So I am taking a scale from here. Scale means ruler. I got the ruler. Now I have to place it here properly. Digital ruler it is. कोविड के टाइम पे डिजिटलाइज्ड टीचिंग में हमको भी एक्सपर्टिज्म लाना पड़ रहा है. ओके, वी विल ट्राई टू मेक द रूलर प्रॉपरली प्लेस्ड. ओके, द रूलर कैन बी प्लेस्ड लाइक दिस. आपका पेन, पेपर पेन रूलर जैसा ही है, टाइम लगता है थोड़ा सेटिंग करने में. देन वी हैव टू ड्रॉ a line through these points. If there is a small issue, it is because I have not placed it properly. Anyway, it is almost correct, I think, but I will just push the ruler. आपको भी ये आपको थोड़ा टाइम लेके ध्यान से करना है. If you are not placing the ruler properly, why I am doing in digitally like this as if it is done in the classroom? Because you should know where the time is spent and where it should be kept. Now you got a very thin sharp pencil to be used so that it will go through the line properly, go through the points properly, and you will put arrow mark because it is a line and you got it. The points which are already marked by us earlier is going through it. One is here, another is here. You don't have इतना सुविधा आपको नहीं है कलर चेंज करने का, पेंसिल से ही ड्रॉ करना है आपको, ये आपको दिखाने के लिए. Okay, now we will go to the next one. The next data given over here is 0 and minus 2. 0 on x. Okay, x तो आगे पीछे नहीं है. Minus 2 on y. Minus 2 on y. 0 on x. So you will minus 2 over here and you will mark it here, and 1 on x and 0 on y. 1 on x here and 0 on y. तो उधर ही बैठेगा. Then 3 on x and 4 on y. Oh, so it will go here. And minus 1 on x इधर गया, and minus 4 on y. ठीक है, इधर मार्क करेंगे. सॉरी, थोड़ा हटके हो गया, बाद में प्रॉब्लम बनेगा. ओके, सो now I have to take the pen and a pencil and draw the line. Let me draw it in a different color. ये सब अपना सुविधा का मैक्सिमम यूज करने का. Passing through the line, and approximately you got a correct line over there, and you can see that another line we got, and both these lines are meeting at a point here. थोड़ा आगे पीछे है, it is because of digital pen and pencil. But if you look at this point, where it meets, it is 2 of x and 2 of y. इसलिए मैं बोला, when we did this before, we got x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, और ग्राफ में भी वही मिला. Understood? So that means graphically we can find out the solution for simultaneous equation. And इतना बनाने में ग्राफ कंप्लीट नहीं होता है. You have to write what all you have done in graph. X is equal to 1 centimeter, y is equal to 1 centimeter. ये क्या आइटम है उसके हिसाब से equal to 1 unit, and this is also equal to 1 unit. And you also should write all these points. For example, first is minus 1 and 5. Minus 1 and 5, here it is minus 1 comma 5. X का पहले 4 and 0, 4 and 0. This point is 4 comma 0, and this point is 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 comma 3. Then another point 6 and minus 2, 6 and minus 2 ये आपको लिखना है. Then you will write the name of that particular equation. X plus y is equal to 4. ये आप थेड़ा लिखेंगे, this one. Okay, so you will write that. Okay, this particular thing, let me try. ये जो आपको लाइन के हिसाब से लिखना है. Okay, then in this line also you will write accordingly. You will write here also green line में लिखेंगे 0 and minus 2. It is 0 and minus 2, 0 of x, and here it is 0 and minus 2. Then 1 and 0, 1 comma 0. Then 3 and 4, 3 comma 4. Then minus 1 minus 4, minus 1 and minus 4. फिर ये लाइन के ऊपर आप लिखेंगे 2x, ऐसा लिखना है 2x minus y is equal to 2. तो ऐसा आप लिख के रखेंगे. So two equations, two line meeting at a point, and the meeting point is x is equal to 2. Sorry, x is equal to 2. You can select y. Okay. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. This is what we got earlier also. आपको previous video में मिलेगा. मैं देखता हूँ इधर next page में मैं आपको दिखा देंगे how it works. Now you understood how to present simultaneous equation on a number line. Okay. Now let us go back to our previous page where we will be getting idea about how to. Okay, this one we represented and we got the same answer here again, which means we are right. This one is 1 centimeter is equal to unit. Okay, this is what we did earlier. Elimination method में यही sum लिया था. मैं जल्दी जाता हूँ. Elimination method आपको last video में method 1 किया था और आपको मिल गया था answer x is equal to 2 और y is equal to 2. ये आपको last video में अच्छा से explain किया है. मिला किसमें मेथड में? एलिमिनेशन मेथड में. सम कौन सा है? 2x minus y, x plus y. Then again we did that in another substitution method. Then also we got y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. That means elimination method, substitution method, graphical method सब करने के बाद हमको सेम आंसर मिल गया. Understood? This is from your textbook. Here is another set of simultaneous equation. X plus y, 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. ये दूसरा situation है. So now you know how to represent simultaneous equation on a graph. Two simultaneous, a pair of simultaneous equation or a pair of linear equation we put into graph, and we found intersection will be the solution. Intersection will be the solution. Now here are two equation. One is x plus 2y. The second equation is 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. This is equal to 4. We are placing that equation here on graph paper. ये आपके टेक्स्ट बुक का डायग्राम है. हम देखें तो इधर दो लाइन है ही नहीं, बट दो ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स इधर दो है. -2 and 3 वो किधर है? इधर है. ये ग्राफ के अंदर 1 and 1.5 किधर है? वो भी इधर है. मतलब दो ग्राफ बनाया है, दो लाइन बनाया है, दो इक्वेशन ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट किया है, बट ओनली वन लाइन यू कैन सी. ये क्या हुआ? दोनों एक ही लाइन में आ गया. मतलब दोनों इक्वेशन का लाइन एक हो गया. इसमें 8 पॉइंट्स है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 हाँ 3 ही सेट बनाया इन्होंने 6 पॉइंट्स 6 पॉइंट से टेक्स्ट बुक है 3 ऑफ दिस सेट 3 ऑफ दिस सेट और लाइन एक ही। इससे हमको पता चला ये दोनों इक्वेशन सेम है। कैसे? x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू 4 अगर मैं उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा क्या मिलेगा 3x प्लस 6y इज इक्वल टू 12 वही तो है ये। तो दोनों इक्वेशन सेम है। That means if two equations are same, you will get a single line graph. And what is the solution? Each point is a solution. इधर एक point लो, इधर एक point लो. There are infinite solution in such cases. Every point on this line graph is a solution for these two equations. Equation कभी आते हैं? आपको mathematical problem फेस करने के टाइम मैथमेटिकल प्रॉब्लम में आप इक्वेशन बनाएंगे, कभी लीनियर इक्वेशन 1 वेरिएबल कभी 2 वेरिएबल 2 वेरिएबल में आएंगे, तभी आपको ग्राफ में से भी कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। अभी इसके ऊपर आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में कुछ क्वेश्चन आर द ग्राफ ऑफ बोथ इक्वेशन आर डिफरेंट और सेम, दैट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, मुझे जरा जगह बनाने दो। आई विल सी वेदर आई कैन मेक लिटिल स्पेस ओवर हियर। नहीं हो रहा है, so I will write over here only, where I will write the answer here big. Are the graph on both equation are same or different? Your answer is same. Both are same. Both are same. Correct? Both equation graph is same in both cases. Okay. Now there is another question. Second question. What is second question? What are the solution of two equation x plus y is equal to x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 3x plus 6y is equal to 12? What are the solutions of the two equations? Each point over here is a solution because both equations are. How many solutions are possible? I already wrote infinite solutions are possible. Infinite, innumerable. Let us go ahead. What is the next question in your? What are the relationship between coefficient of x and coefficient of y and constant terms in both equations? What are the relationship between x and coefficient of y, coefficient of x and coefficient of y and constant terms in both equations? What is the relationship? Consider the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x in this case, first case is 1. And coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 2 here. The second equation 3, and the relationship is this. First equation multiplied by 3 gives the second equation. If you multiply the first equation by 3, you get the second equation. One more question. What conclusion can you draw from equations are given but graph is only one line? What conclusion you can draw? We can draw a conclusion that when two equations are same, you will get a single line graph. Both graph line will be same and there are infinite solutions. And the equations will be a multiple of another equation. Meaning they will be a multiple of one equation multiplied by a number, you will get the second equation, or they will be mutually a product or a factor. Okay, this is what is the conclusion. Graphical method. We are concluding the graphical method. So before that, let me write over here something very important to you. The thing is that we studied a linear equation in two variables, and in two variable we found that we can find the solution by elimination method. We found the solution by substitution method. We found the solution by graphical method. All three cases we use the same, same equation where we got the answer x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. आपको वीडियो बार बार देखना है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन चल रहा है. मैं स्लोली जा रहा हूँ, हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके जा रहा हूँ. वाई? बिकॉज एवरी स्टूडेंट शुड अंडरस्टैंड द फंडामेंटल. बाकी आपकी मेहनत के ऊपर है. एक्सरसाइज करके करके स्ट्रांग बनना है आपको, लेकिन कॉमन सेंस साथ में यूज़ करना पड़ते हैं बिकॉज ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर नॉट सेम. सम एग्जांपल्स एंड अदर थिंग्स आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बिकॉज गाइड, इंटरनेट सब आपको आंसर दे रहे, समझाने वाला, व्हाट हाउ द थॉट प्रोसेस, the thought process behind this should be made understand by teachers like me. That's what is my role I am doing.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.